Hello, I'll be giving a presentation on cache memory today. What is cache? Cache is a hardware or software component that stores data so that future requests for the data can be served faster. The data stored in a cache might be the result of an earlier computation or a copy of data stored elsewhere. It is a small piece of memory in between the RAM and CPU and stores the most current instructions so that the CPU doesn't have to access the slower main memory in the DRAM, direct RAM. Why is cache important? It's very useful because it helps computer applications and systems run faster, since the CPU does not have to fetch the instructions from elsewhere or slower memory, since they're already stored. But a trade-off is capacity for speed, since a cache typically stores a trade-off is capacity for speed. Cache is usually faster than other types of memory, but can store less data. Also, it is quite expensive. Different types of cache memory. There's level 1, which is the first level of cache. Memory is present in the CPU itself. It can work at the same speed as the CPU. Each core of the CPU has its own level 1 cache. There's level 2, inside or outside the CPU, slower than level 1. Each core of CPU can have its own level 2 cache, or they can share a single level 2 cache. And then level 3 cache located outside the CPU, it's slower than L1 and L2. It's shared by all the cores of the CPU. And then here's some questions. Pablo, where's the cache located? Okay. And then what does cache store? And give some examples of things that contain cache, or things cache would store. Yusuf.
What does cache store? Frequently used instructions and data. Would you like an example?
Yes.
Okay. So, for example, if you're on a website that you have favorited, then that might be on the cache.
Okay. Thank you.